so that the gas is quite heated, so that after the spark is can take place, can ignite the gas very easily, because the time requirement for attaining the target center is not very large after the spark. For that, the spark has to occur closer to the target center, not away from the target center. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
So this part I have explained the cycle, but one thing I'd like to tell you, that the cycle is a closed cycle: suction, compression, expansion, and exhaust. It makes two loops. This is one loop. This is the other loop. See this loop. This loop is clockwise, and this loop is anti-clockwise. And the area of this loop is positive, integral PDV, and the integral PDV for this loop is negative. And this loop is called the pumping loop, because this is the work we have to supply for suction and exhaust to take place. The loop from the thanda. Hello. So this loop is called the pumping loop. It's a negative area, because the area enclosed by the PV diagram is always work. So this work is negative work. This is the negative work to be supplied by the flywheel. This is the positive work. And when we have to find out the total output of one cycle, we have to calculate this area, and we have to calculate this area. This area indicates positive work. This area indicates negative work. If you sum total, positive and negative, you will get some positive area. This area is more. So that is the net work output of the cycle. Now there are certain regions: IVO, IVC, VO, EVC, and SP. SP is part. Intake valve opens, intake valve closes, exhaust valve opens, exhaust valve closes. Where the intake valve opens actually, where the intake valve closes actually, where the exhaust valve opens actually, and where the exhaust valve closes actually, those things I have shown in this diagram. And we have another diagram we call the valve timing diagram. It's very important. This is the diagram which is required in order to design the cam profile. This diagram is required in order to design the cam profile. So this part will be able to explain better in the next day. Let us. Can it be tomorrow? Because
yes, sir.
We did not have any class, any other class.
ঠিক করে তো মাঝখানে ঠিক। হ্যাঁ, কমে যাও। মাঝখানের বোতামটা টেপো।